episode, we're covering the tech side of your setup, the camera and the zoom software you'll be using to record. We'll walk you through how to physically set everything up and how to adjust the key zoom settings so you get the best possible quality. First things first, grab your Joby phone tripod and attach the phone mount to the ball head. Twist it firmly until it's nice and secure. Next, slide your phone into the clamp. Make sure it's centered and held tight. You don't want it slipping mid-call. You can rotate the phone to shoot horizontal or vertical, depending on your setup, but for zoom, horizontal is usually best. We're now going to jump in with Kirk in more detail. So what we've done is we've got our iPhone, which is connected to Zoom, and essentially that gives you a really high quality webcam.
Obviously, so much better than this camera. Yeah, like as in the laptop.
In terms of the laptop, perfect. Right, so I'll just show you where you need to go to get that in operation. So normally what happens is you would have it connected to your FaceTime camera, which looks pretty bad.
Yeah, really bad, isn't it, in comparison?
Yeah, and then what happens is when you open Zoom, you just click your iPhone camera, and then that will come up on your iPhone and it will give you it ready to go. You just need to make sure you've got your latest Zoom set up, and that should be perfect. Now the camera's connected to Zoom, it's time to place it properly. You want the camera lined up with your eyes, some space above your head and your upper body in shot. That way people can see your hands. It makes you come across more natural and engaging. We're now going to jump into a few more Zoom video settings to help you look your best on camera. Just want to talk to you about some video settings. So in here we obviously want to have the iPhone camera. We want to click HD, we want original ratio, and then if we go into advanced, we want all of these ticked. We also want to go into background and effects. You can touch up your appearance a little bit. This basically just gives you like smoother skin if you want it. And then, yeah, so that's without
and that's wrinkles.
Okay. And then
that's smooth.
So yeah, I wouldn't say go all the way, but certainly like just a little bit is quite nice. And then the other one we want is portrait lighting. Ticking portrait lighting helps you stand out by subtly brightening your face and dimming the background. Perfect for a cleaner, more polished look. Obviously when you're using other software it's going to vary, but for Zoom that's essentially what we want. That's your camera and zoom settings complete. You're now looking way sharper on screen. Next up we're diving into lighting, and honestly this is where the magic happens. Good lighting can make even a basic setup look professional. See you there.